Want to delete your account on TikTok, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account. Now let's get started. To delete your TikTok account, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Select Account. Then tap Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap Delete Account Permanently. Choose the reason you want to delete TikTok, then tap Continue. If you'd like to download a copy of your TikTok account data before deleting, tap Review Request. Then tap the checkbox and tap Continue. Read the information about deleting your account and tap Continue. To confirm that you want to permanently delete your account, you may be asked to enter your TikTok password or to provide a verification code sent by email. Provide the code or your password as requested, then tap Delete Account. In the pop-up, tap Delete to finalize the process. Your TikTok account will then be deleted. After 30 days, your account and all data will be permanently erased. If you change your mind and want to reactivate your account, log back into TikTok within 30 days after deleting it, and tap Reactivate. That's all it takes to delete your TikTok account. Want to delete your other social media accounts? Check out these tutorials next. Click one of the videos on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.